Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect.
Hello my wonderful people, welcome and welcome back again to my channel. Yes, my correct people, the great leader Nnamdi Kanu don't blow another one so hot again. Nigerian government thinks say we dey play this time, as far as say they no wan let Biafra go, and they still dey drag how they will take do election for 2023. Nnamdi Kanu don declare say if na for him to come Nigeria, but just to make sure say that election no go fit hold without dem no free Biafra. Let's watch the news, guys. Meanwhile, if today na the first time you come across my channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you very much for stopping by. And to all my returning subscribers, I appreciate all of you for the massive support una dey do for this channel. And if you never see subscribe, kindly hit on the subscribe button, put on the notification bell so you continue to get updates whenever I drop a new video. And if you find this video interesting, like the video, share the video, drop your opinion for the comment section, what you think about the video. God bless you as you do so. Let's watch the video, guys. Bye bye.
I have another caller on the line. Can you hear me? The caller on the line, can you hear me, please?
Yeah.
Good morning to you. Please, your name and where you're calling us from, if you may.
My name is Wanzi Wisdom. I'm calling from France.
From France, please go ahead. The whole world is listening.
Sir, please don't be offended, though.
I won't be.
You know this broadcast?
Yes.
This broadcast is getting out of hand. And these people are sending down their machinery to come over to attack us very soon.
Yes.
And every day you are talking story, which you have already been instructed by the gods on what to do.
Yes.
To declare war upon these people.
Yes.
And you have been stubborn, you don't want to declare war, and you know that this is war that people are fighting.
Yes. Can I answer your question? Can I answer you now? Can I respond to you? I know. I understand the way you feel. I understand it completely and totally. I understand the way you feel. And I can assure you that that time is coming. Every time, everything has its own time. If you can see now, we are entering the final phase. Listen to me carefully. I understand your frustration and I share it. I totally agree with you. I understand where you're coming from and I understand your anger. But please bear with me. We are going to get there. Let me tell you something. If we had declared Biafra late last year or early this year, all the Fulefus that are now, should I say, repenting, they wouldn't have repented. They would have had the very perverse notion in their brain that what we are doing is not very good. But now they're beginning to see it. There is a little bit more time to go. One thing to get just small. Then the floodgates of hell will open. Please, I do plead with you to give it's just a little bit more time to go. And you will see what will happen. Please. Yes.
Sir, may I remind you that you used to see road not just as a human, but as a spiritual. And you understand the ways of the gods and the people. And even the direction that they give you.
Yes.
And you should deliver accordingly.
I will.
Not to the words of the gods are very straight. And the gods are with us. They are fighting alongside with us.
As I said, I understand you. I understand you. When I said, listen to me, please. Listen very, very carefully to what I'm saying. I said, I understand your anger and your frustration. I understand that very well. The final signal hasn't come to declare. And when I'm declaring Biafra, I will be on the ground myself. And I will do it. I will be in the land of Biafra. I will declare Biafra and will defend our borders and our territories that same day. So don't worry, we are coming. I understand what you're saying. And heaven is talking and we are listening. Thank you very much for that. I don't want to go into too many details. Another caller is on the line, I presume. Is that correct? This caller on the line, can you hear me? The caller on the line, can you hear me? No, you cannot hear me. Do I have somebody on the line, please? No, if you have called us before, please refrain from calling us again. I plead with you. I plead with you, please. I have, let me see if there's somebody on the line. No. If you have called before, please don't call again. I don't know why they're doing this. Do not call again, please. I plead with you. The caller on the line, can you hear me? Yes, please.
This is Pastor Chris Wise. That's been a long time. I just want to thank you. I want to commend you, and I want to commend the God, the Almighty Creator that provided you for us. The Bible says that He comes to His own, and they did not recognize Him. But I we recognize you, and we are saying that you will live to see Biafra. Now, what I want to say, and I don't think if I say it again, I want to say happy birthday to Lolo.
Thank you.
And may God increase more years to her. So, what I want to say right now is that in the book of Matthew 29, it says, or else, how can we deal with these governors if we first of all bind them, slaughter them, destroy that power that have been giving them energy? Because if you want to destroy a man, you must lost the source of his income. When the source of his income is being destroyed or damaged, he will be financially handicapped. His life will be closed by force. These governors, they have that audacity to kill us. They have that impetus to come out to brag. Are they how many? Are they not one person? These are the people that provoked David. That David stood up and says, enough is enough. How dare you uncircumcised, demon bloodsuckers, blaspheme against the God of Biafra. You kill us in war, you come out to brag about it. You kill us in Enugu, you come out to brag about it. You kill His Royal Highness and our Roma in Naija, you come out to brag about it. These people, if you don't stood up, if you don't rise up, which I know you said in your last statement right now, that time is coming. But these very people, let us not spare these people, because they are the major problem. And another thing that I want to say is that, sir, if it's going to be possible, anywhere they gather to do meeting, whether or governors meeting or whether, let us follow them head on. As you keep coming last year, that there will be nothing like Igbo Union meeting or anything.
There's no Hanese meeting in our land. They don't meet. They draft their rubbish over Nokia touch phone and send to the media. They know they cannot meet. Anywhere Hanese meets, you scatter it. The same thing, there's no campaign in Anambra State. Anywhere they're holding a campaign, they are toast, they are gunners. There will be no campaign in Anambra, no open campaign. You can go to the door-to-door, give money. Any day you gather people with your vehicle and talking about this campaign, a lamb more that same day. Ndara. Thank you very much for your call. Thank you very much. We have come to the end of our program today. I don't want to give away too much, but I want to let Biafrans and the whole world understand this. I want to let every listening government understand that the man that killed my parents have come once again to boast that he's going to kill many more people. It is either him or me. I'm warning all of you in advance. Thank you very much for listening this morning. And as always, Biafra is much more than a movement for us. Biafra to me and to millions upon millions upon millions all over the world, it is our religion. And here on Radio Biafra is where we worship. Because Him Adonai El Shaddai is our God. From me, from here this morning, with all the love in my heart, it is good morning.